Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin. Now click on advanced options, then select troubleshoot, select advanced options and then select command prompt. It will open command prompt window. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Now we need to type this command c colon and simply press enter. Now we need to type cd space c colon / and hit enter to execute. Type in cd space windows and press enter. Then type cd space system32 and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1 then hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup1 and hit enter. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now execute this command. cd space c colon /. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcd edit space /exports space c colon /bcd backup then hit enter. Now type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type attrib space c colon -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now type run space c colon /boot /bcd space bcd.old then hit enter. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.